PCIe 5.0 Compliance Kit automates the process of compliance checking, which allows SI engineers to select compliance criteria and easily generate report and simulation results. In this video, we will learn how to set up PCIe 5 channel for crosstalk analysis and simulation. So let's get started. In the very first step, we'll open Topology Explorer 17.4 from Cadence Program menu. And once Cadence Product Choices tab will open, from here you have to select either Advanced SI2 or Advanced SI license and click on OK. Once the topology workbench is open, from here we have to select New Topology. So let's name our newly created topology as PCIe 5 Crosstalk, and we are going to save it on desktop. Once we have entered the topology path and topology name, we can go to Compliance Kit tab, and from here we have to select PCIe 5 Compliance Kit. As you can see, in the previous video, we have simulated for PCIe 5 single channel. But in this case, we have to select PCIe 5 Crosstalk Compliance Kit and click over Create button. Once the multi-channel PCIe 5 Compliance Kit have been loaded, we are good to go for setting up compliance item. To do that, we have to click over Choose Compliance Items from Workflow. And from here, we have to select all the items except Stressed Swept Jitter Test, because this is going to take a little bit more time compared to all these simulations, and then close it. Now after setting all the compliance items, we are good to go for running the simulation. To do that, we have to click over Check Compliance from Workflow. Let's name this simulation PCIe 5 Crosstalk and click on OK. Now it will take a couple of minutes to run all the analysis and show simulation results. Once the simulation is done, we can see PCIe 5 compliance report. Let's maximize it, and here we can see couple of fields. For example, in case of I mask, in case of differential insertion loss, and in case of differential return loss. To see where it is failing, you have to click over the link given on the simulation results column. Let's check for I mask, and here we can clearly see the I mask is outside the actual waveform. To make it more visible, we'll just right click, go to the properties, change its color to, let's say, blue, and width of the lines to 2 unit and click on OK. So now we can clearly see where is I mask. It is outside the waveforms. To check out more simulation results, we have to first close it and go to the Browse Results from Workflow. Once we'll click on that, we'll be directed to SSI Viewer, and from here we can select channels, either from channel simulation if wanted to see the channel simulation results, and characterization of channel. Let's see the channel simulation results and click on Show Results. Then maximize it, go to the Windows and select Cascade Windows, and from here we can clearly see all the channel reports and numeric values of all the simulations. So first we'll see all the journal simulation data, then we'll see crosstalk information, jitter information, noise, and eye contour measurements. In the next window, we'll see 3D eye density plot, and here we can see eye contour. Let's maximize it, and from this drop down menu you can select the waveform of all the received data. Let's zoom in here, and we can see this is the data bit stream that we are receiving at receiver side. Alright, so this is how you can do crosstalk analysis for PCIe 5 using Topology Explorer Compliance Kit.